a great experience because it was the first time I get to play in the same team with Sachin Tendulkar. That was very special for me because growing up as a kid, um, cricket, growing up, they always say two players, Brian Lara, Tendulkar. Tendulkar, Lara. Lara is my childhood hero, and also we come from the same village, represent the same team. So meeting Sachin for the first time was like a dream come true. And playing for Mumbai Indians, getting to meet the Ambani family was also very special for me. So I always tell people that I had the luxury of representing two of the most successful franchises in IPL history, and now I'm also the mentor of KKR, which is the third most successful team. So I'm also a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan as well. So to be able to represent Mumbai, meet the Ambani family, represent Chennai Super Kings, create my legacy there, and now being a mentor of Knight Riders, I think I'm able to say that I have achieved three of the biggest franchises in the history of IPL.
And obviously this year when you go to Chepauk, when KKR traveled over there, have you thought about those things, being in Chepauk, because Chepauk became your home? And have you thought on those lines, and what would that experience be? That you'll be in the opposite dugout?
Yeah, I'll be in the opposite dugout, but it's my home and it will always be my home. I think what I've done in Chennai over the years, I've gained a lot of respect and love from the fans there. And I know they will not forget that, but at the same time, I have a new role and a new responsibility, and I'm looking forward to going back and seeing some old faces. And at the end of the day, this is the beauty of the sport, and we cherish key moments. And yeah, it's going to be another good season, another tough season. But for now, it's about IPL is back.
Just one final question. Obviously, Trinidad is a place which has a rich Indian culture. Just wanted to ask you, like maybe growing up, do you recall any Indian songs which you heard in Trinidad?
No.
I think, sir, now with the Desi Tadka music in place, we are all going global, and this is the platform which is going to bring India's music to every state, every city, every continent, and every country. So maybe a few years from now, when we ask you the same question, you will say yes, many of them. So we are really looking forward to that. Thank you.
So hello. Hi, Brao. This is Vinay. So good to see you and welcome back in India. So Brao, you beat so many good batsmen from your ball. So if you get a chance to beat any music artist from your music, so who's gonna be the one? Anyone?
I don't understand fully. Explain again.
If you get a chance to beat any music artist from your music, what you sing, so any name you wanna take? Any your competition in music industry?
Beat them. What do you mean by beat them?
Not with the bat, like a wicket out. That's right.
Yes.
If I want to bring anyone, of course. There are so many artists back home in my country interested in working over here. I want to come over here. There's so many of them, it's hard to really name, but I can call a few. From Trinidad and Tobago, there's a guy by the name of Marshall Montano. He's very huge. He's like the Michael Jackson of my country in our genre of music, of soca music. Then there's, you go to Jamaica, there's a guy by the name of Beanie Man. Back in Trinidad again, there's so much musicians. There's another Indian singer, chutney singer back home by the name of Ravi B. So they are all musicians who will be interested in coming over here, and hopefully one day I can bring over some musicians and put on a concert here so you guys can experience my culture and my people and our music.
That's wonderful. Are we ready for that, Mr. Yash?
Yes.
Are we ready to welcome more singers from his place?
Yeah. Are you having any plans for a collab with Chutney Music so that Indians also can connect?
Yeah, definitely. This is one already. This is one collab. And I want her to also get some collabs, some international collabs, because music is passion for me, it's passion for her. And she definitely needs some bigger collabs, bigger than me. I'm just a small guy, you know. She needs some big singer here in India and also internationally. So let's see how we all can do anything possible in our powers to make sure she become a superstar, a household name. Okay?
All fingers crossed.
Yeah, bravo, your
Questions to her now, please. Too much.
Do you how this song becomes so famous like champion? Like I also when I get very naughty I like start champion. So I think you should do this. Right
Do you need the recipe of it?
Champion. And how this song has become so famous, like so much.
Yeah, I think it's a song that released in 2016, right here in Mumbai. So hopefully this song is also released here in Mumbai. So the energy is there already. Mumbai is lucky for me. When it comes releasing music, and so hopefully, and I always I released Champion on the eve of the World Cup in 2016. Now I'm releasing this song on the eve of IPL. So hopefully, by the end of IPL, it go viral and the fans love it. And whichever team win the IPL, make it their team song and celebrate, and that's how it go viral.
Yeah, bravo,
Okay,
bravo,
guys, we
your
have just
yeah.
one more question to go.
Bravo, if you remember me, we were dancing together on your number, Champion. Hope you remember me.
2016?
Yeah. So there was a big gap in 2015 to 2025. Why so big gap? Because your album was a hit album, and it was today also in the morning I saw your song. Your Miss Matthew was dancing on your number, Champion from Mumbai Indian. So why was the big gap over there for that?
Well, I released some songs prior to Champion. I released a song called Number One, where everyone should try to be number one whatever they do. So most of my songs has always have that kind of inspiration behind it. I released a song called Number Seven. It was a tribute to MS Dhoni. On his birthday, I released that song. I also have a song called Asia. I have a song called Run the World. But none of those songs obviously reach the magnitude of Champion. I don't think that's possible with any other song. Hopefully this one. But I think everyone judge all my songs based on Champion success, but it's hard. But I did release other songs, and now this is another important song for me.
You've been a successful cricketer and a successful singer. Are you trying your hands in Bollywood?
Definitely. Now that I'm retired officially from cricket, I have a lot more time on my hands to do different stuff, and Shah Rukh and myself going to do a movie soon. So check it out.
Prabhu, last question. Shivangi ma'am brought you here to India to see her number. So, are you planning to take her to Trinidad and make some music or movie?
Yeah, sometimes she's in the US and she'll be like, I'm here in Chicago, I'm here in Texas, where are you? Oh, I'm in Dubai. I'm always somewhere far from her, but hopefully one day, definitely it's going to be possible. Once the time is right. For me, it's all about the timing, and my schedule have to align. And definitely we will invite her to Trinidad, let her come and bring her talent to my country and experience my country.
Yes, I'm all up for that.
Thank you.
कुछ पूछ लो.
आपका कोलैबोरेशन कैसे था ब्रेवो के साथ में?
मेंशन किया कि हम लोग पहले से कोलैबोरेट कर चुके हैं। आई थिंक 2022 में हमारा एक सॉन्ग आया था पार्टी पार्टी, जो दीपक मुकुट सर ने रिलीज किया था। सो वी शॉट दैट वन इन यूके। तो वहाँ से भी मतलब वो फर्स्ट सॉन्ग था। उसके बाद में जस्ट आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक probably 2-3 months later I just sent this song to him, this IPL one. And then since then the song was with us. We were just keep on improvising the lyrics, keep on improvising the music, we keep on improvising कि क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या बेस्ट कर सकते हैं। So वही सब कर रहे थे और देखो आज 2025 हो गया उसको करते करते, and I'm very very happy कि हर चीज़ का जैसे इन्होंने बोला कि everything has a time, now so वही बोल सकते हैं कि इस चीज़ का टाइम ही अभी था। हम कितने भी टाइम से अगर इसको इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहे थे, बट टाइम उसका एक तो क्या है कि आईपीएल की एक ड्यूरेशन है, पूरे साल वेट करना पड़ता है तब जाके आईपीएल ड्यूरेशन आता है। और कोई दूसरे सॉन्ग्स होते हैं तो हम लोग कभी भी रिलीज कर देते हैं। सो इसके लिए इनका वेट करना पड़ता है। जैसे पिछली बार इनकी डेट्स अवेलेबल नहीं थी, इस बार भी हमें बहुत डेट्स मैनेज करनी पड़ी है कि कभी 14th को है, कभी 19th को है, कभी 20th को। ही इज अ बिजी मैन, So I think this is the reason कि कुछ चीज़ें थोड़ा सा और पुश हो जाती हैं। So बस एक वही वजह है। बट बहुत अच्छी बात ये है कि अच्छा, और एक चीज़ मैं एक मेंशन कर देती हूँ। ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे इनसे मिलने से पहले आईपीएल ही नहीं पता था क्या होता है। ऐसे लोग भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं। मुझे नहीं पता था कि आईपीएल का वर्ड क्या है, कौन सी आईपीएल की दुनिया है क्या। हाँ, बस ऐसा होता था रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाते थे, हर इंसान आईपीएल देख रहा था, मैन everybody is so busy in IPL। तो बट मुझे नहीं पता था। मेरे लिए क्रिकेट ऑलमोस्ट 2004-05 में जब सचिन तेंदुलकर एज ही मेंशन, मैंने बचपन से सिर्फ सचिन तेंदुलकर को ही देखा था। वो होने के बाद में आई थिंक जब वो रिटायर हुए उसके बाद से मैंने मैचेस बिल्कुल बंद कर दिए। तो मुझे किसी भी क्रिकेटर के बारे में कोई आइडिया ही नहीं था कि कौन चल रहा है, किसकी क्या टीवी पे, मतलब मेरे लिए सिर्फ मेरे ब्रदर्स देख रहे होते हैं मैचेस, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं देखती थी। तो इनसे मिलने से पहले मुझे आईपीएल नहीं पता था। फिर इन्होंने धीरे धीरे मुझे आईपीएल की थोड़ी सी लत लगाई। I think you were playing at that time maybe Gujarat Lions or somewhere, right? Yeah. And he used to like push me to watch matches, and I was like, मैं क्या करूँ? तो बस बहुत बार मैंने इन्हीं को देखा है। और जनरली उसके बाद से, क्योंकि मैं इंडिया के मैचेस सिर्फ अपने ब्रदर से सुनती रहती हूँ कि किसने वन किया, लाइक इंडियन जो अभी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी थी वो जब विन हुई तो और वो भी इन्होंने मुझे बताया कि उसमें बुमराह वाज द मेन वन, कोहली वाज द मेन वन, ये सारे लोग। तो बस इनकी वजह से मुझे एक्चुअल में क्रिकेट से फिर से रीइन्वेंशन हुआ है। अदरवाइज मैंने सचिन तेंदुलकर के टाइम पे अपना क्रिकेट वहीं पे एंड कर दिया था। सो प्रोबेबली ही इज प्रोबेबली वन ऑफ द वेरी फ्यू पीपल जिनकी वजह से मुझे आईपीएल, मतलब पहला ही इंसान है जिसकी वजह से मुझे आईपीएल के बारे में पता भी चला है।
Trevor, last question. Whom you think this today's IPL cup? Who will lift this cup IPL this time?
Yes, reply. I want to know. The nation wants to know. Who do you think is the champion this year?
Have to wait and see.
Still.
Have to wait and see.
Well, dear
Good
audience,
answer.
members of media, what do you think? कौन सी टीम इस बार जीतेगी? KKR ना? Make it louder. Which team do you think is the champion?
Mumbai Indians.
Ami KKR.
KKR.
Sorry.
Thank you so much, guys, for doing the honors, and thank you, dear media. You've been wonderful. And with this, we wrap up today's event, the launch of the poster of India IPL. I'm your host, Femina Miss India Punjab, Tawfiq Kaur, and I've been thrilled to be your host.